Hi everyone! Today I wanted to share a fun sensory activity that's great for language, emotional, social, and physical development. It's pretty easy to put together. You'll need rice, we're using long grain, food coloring, a few sandwich bags, and you can also add a few drops of essential oils to make it fragrant. I also included some utensils for the kids to use for exploring and playing with. And I'm going to be presenting all of these in our DIY water station, which doubles for many things. It's a great bit of furniture to have around the place. First, you need to divide the rice into sandwich bags, add a few drops of food coloring, different colors in each bag, and give them a good shake. The kids really enjoyed doing this. I double bagged ours to prevent any spills. I didn't have to leave the rice to dry, but if yours is wet, you might have to leave it in a tray for a while. This activity is great for color recognition, and it also presents a lot of opportunities to talk about smells, sound, and texture, which is great for language skills. I also included a handy scooper, also known as children's scoop scissors. It's a really great tool for building and developing the muscles children need for using real scissors. So it's great for fine motor control. The handy scooper takes a little bit of getting used to, but once they figure out how it works, it can be a lot of fun, and they really love the catch and release function. There are also little holes in them, which makes them brilliant for water play as well. I especially think that this kind of rice play for toddlers is fantastic. It's so tactile and it inspires them to get busy pouring, tipping, or transferring from one container to another, passing handfuls of rice from one hand to another, or even using their pincer grip to pick up tiny grains of rice. And whenever they're doing that, they're really working on those fine motor skills they need for writing. This activity is also a great way to foster social development because the kids get really excited about the rice but need to learn to play in the same space, share with each other, and work on their impulse control. My preschool enjoys this activity a lot as well. These kinds of activities can also be a great way to introduce early math concepts like more, less, bigger, and smaller, and even concepts such as mass and volume. Sometimes we pull out our weighing scales to do a bit of weighing, and we try to see if we can find objects around the house that weigh the same as the rice. Comparing cooked rice with uncooked rice is also fun, and is a great way to talk about how things can change when they're cooked, such as by absorbing water and getting heavier. You can also create a rice tray to practice writing letters and numbers. With a little bit of help from me, once they finish, they clean up the space as well, which is an important skill to learn. My daughter really enjoys using the dustpan and brush to pour the rice back into a container.